All right, Mikey's condo, looking damn good. Still got to add some more lights to the mirrors, do the ones to the fairings, get those hooked up under the frame. A few minor touch-ups, but nonetheless, she looking pretty for that condo. Come on. Might call it the California Condor instead of the condo. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. California Condor. We'll see. I don't know. Let you all decide. Washed this up earlier. Looking good. Got that 1995 Wabash 48-foot trailer. I didn't realize it was a 1995 until we did the inspection on it. I thought it was a 2005. I gotta admit though, it's probably one of the best old 90s drive-ins I've seen and pulled in a long time. Put some new rubber on today, the 295s. Gonna drop these quarter fenders. We got a different light bar we're gonna put on the middle. Change that out, give it kind of a fresh look to it. Thanks to Jose Cordero. Him and his family, nothing but love, mad respect. You see their red Peterbilts out on the highway, flat top 389s, 579, all in those flatbeds in Arizona, Utah, Vegas. Say what's up, give them some shout out, you know what I mean? Damn. This video ain't doing it justice, I'll tell you that much, that's for damn sure. Oh, and if anyone knows where I can get some old school Wabash mud flaps, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Let me know, please. I'm looking for them. Try to keep it all OG. Never a dull moment with this dude right here. Never. That's how you take care of it right here. Cali style. Cali boys. Plastic Truck Mafia. The California Condor is what we're going to call this. Come on.